Both of these Panasonic shavers are in the ARC5 series, but I thought it'd be nice to talk about the difference in styles and why you might want one over the other. Both of these were sent to me so I could make this video. I've actually used this style for over a year. This is the one I got over a year ago. I have absolutely loved this thing. And so right off the bat, I will say that the shaving experience with both of these shavers has seemed to be nearly identical for me. They both have the 5 heads and they have the thing in the middle that cuts the longer hair. The nice thing about that is if you have longer stubble, then that's not an issue at all. It still makes a clean shave. It doesn't do any pulling. You still get a really fast and clean shave. One difference I've noticed with the heads on this is the palm or the travel shaver. Between the blades, it has this little metal bar. I really don't know what that's for other than probably just to kind of push down on the skin and to pull it a little bit more. This one doesn't have that. I haven't really noticed a difference as I've been shaving though. Both of these are waterproof, so you can shave in the shower. You can get these wet. That's not an issue. Both of these charge in about an hour. Now, I would have thought that this has a longer battery life than this one, but I actually ran some tests and I did a time lapse to see how long the battery would last. This lasted for an hour and a half. This lasted for just shy of an hour and 20 minutes. So similar run times, and on the websites, I think this is listed to run for 50 minutes, whereas this is set to run for 45. So either way, if you're shaving every day for a week, you'll get about 6 to 7 minutes of a shave before you need to recharge again. As far as charging goes, this will actually charge with USB-C, whereas this you need the special cable this comes with. You can either plug it directly in here or plug the cable into the dock and just put this in the dock to charge it that way. As far as how fast the motor goes, I'm just going to let you listen to the pitch. The same. I suspect it's got the same motor in both of these shavers. It oscillates, moves back and forth at the same speed, fast enough to get a really nice clean shave. This one does have a display to let you know the battery level. This one doesn't really have a good indication of battery level, just a single LED. And it does make some beeping sounds when the battery is low. But obviously the biggest difference, this comes with a cleaning and charging dock, whereas this has the small size for travel. So with this, if you want to clean it, you just open the cleaning dock, put water in, a cleaning solution, you put this in, you press a button, it will go through and it runs water through everything. You don't even have to open this up or anything like that. It's kind of trippy, honestly. But it cleans everything out and then it dries it off. And if you take it out of the dock right after it's done drying, you have some nice warm heads. It smells fantastic. Just an overall great cleaning experience. Honestly, it's not that difficult to clean this manually. And what I usually do is I just put some hand soap in this, run it for a while with the hand soap. Then I wash that off with some running water and that gets just as clean. Probably the scent is not as great that way as when you use the cleaning dock, but what this is really nice for is obviously the small size makes this perfect for travel. I just got back from California a week ago. I took this, I went up the Oregon coast last month, took this with me, and it's so nice that I could just have a small bag. This doesn't take up a lot of room. So if you are someone that travels multiple times a year, the great thing about this is in the past, I've always had my primary razor that I love and I use at my desk. And then I'd get just kind of a cheap, smaller razor that I would travel with that didn't work well. But because I'm only gone for a week or two, I just live with it. The nice thing about this is you can use this as your everyday shaver and as your travel shaver. You just use this every day and it works fantastic. In fact, I did a test to test my 1-year-old shaver with my brand new one to see if I could tell a difference in shaving, if this was so dull that it just didn't shave as well as this one, and they both felt the same. Like after a year, this still works as good as it ever did. So if you want something high quality that lasts a long time and you can take it traveling with you, this is absolutely fantastic. Since getting both both of these though, this is the one I use at my desk, and the main reason for that is just because I like the way this head moves. It kind of just goes back and forth. It feels a little bit better in the hand for me. It doesn't shave any better than this. I just like using this style a little bit more. So obviously you kind of just have to judge what your circumstance is. Like I said, if you do travel a lot, I highly recommend that you get this Palm model. If you don't travel as much and you just want something really nice for the desk, or you like the idea of having a cleaning and charging station, this is just as great with a few more bells and whistles.